Hi. You're welcome. It's your girl Brani once again. Today we're gonna look at how to prepare soft and yummy daddies. You don't need to miss out. We are going to need lemon and eggs, sugar, milk, butter, wheat flour, and cooking oil. For starters, we are going to put around 5 teaspoons of sugar into our flour. Then we mix. So we warm up our oil, some of the oil, and add in our butter. When it melts, we add it to our flour. This oil, you see that? That is what I want. You see that? Be rest assured, our daddies are gonna be very soft. Mix immediately. Mix. Make sure you mix very well. Squeeze our lemon into the eggs. Add the solution into the dough. Wow. Mix. Add in the milk. Now we are making a dough. Make it until it comes out, until it's no longer onto your fingers. If the dough has not yet come out very well, you can add in some little warm water until when you get what you need. Until when it's all in one piece. As you can see, our dough is ready. It's not on my fingers. That's how you can tell it's ready. Yeah. We are going to roll the dough. You get a piece of it, put it on a flat surface, add some cooking oil to make it smooth. Little. See? Spread it. At this stage, we are going to cut our spread dough into desirable pieces of our daddies. See? And now you pick them. We are now going to prepare to put into our hot or warm cooking oil. Make sure you prepare the daddies on low fire if you want to get what exactly you want. When the oil is hot or boiled, we start placing in our daddies on low fire. I insist, on low fire. As you can see, our daddies have turned golden brown. So it's time to put them out of fire. Nice and slowly. At this point, we are going to transfer our daddies into a bowl with some tissue. The daddies are ready. You see, soft. guys, it's time to taste our daddies. Lovely, delicious, yummy, on point. Well, guys, if you liked my cooking today, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.